What a smart rapper. Today we're talking about 5 ways to build confidence to rap in front of people. I know the feeling, you walking in public and you're like, man, you see other people rapping, you're like, man, I wish I could just rap. I want to rap because I could rap. I know I could rap, but I don't have the confidence to do it. Because the thing is, you could be a really good rapper, but just not have that confidence in you to want to be able to display it. And you know if you could display it, I'm telling you right now, one of the best feelings in the fucking world is being a good rapper and being able to show people who never expect you to be able to rap, to be like, bam, then they go, damn, the look, the feeling, the way that they treat you, they go from treating you like, fuck this dude to, yo, like, what's up, bro? Let's work together, bro. Like, that feeling of just all of it is amazing, but you have to have the confidence in order to do that. In this video, I'm gonna teach you the ways that you can actually build your confidence to be able to rap in public. You're about to get smarter. I'm Rob Level. This is smartrapper.com for a reason, and you're about to get smarter right after the intro. Number one, and this is to be competent, because remember, competency, being competent is confidence. That means if you are fully like ready and to go, you're gonna have confidence when the time comes. So this comes down to practicing. And for rapping in public, it's about practicing set verses. You need to have 16-bar verses, maybe just 2 separate ones that you could pull out anytime, anywhere, that you have memorized to the T. And I mean like the hottest shit you got with like even maybe a speed flow or a dope flow or pattern changes, whatever it is, your hottest lines. And it's just this 16-bar molten lava set of 16 bars that when you rap this to somebody, and because you have it practiced, and even your delivery, your hand gestures, everything about the whole thing is just down pat, you display that and do that in front of any person, they're gonna be like, yo. Like but all you need to do is you need to write it, you need to memorize it, you need to practice it. Once it's practiced, you can pull it out of your ass anywhere. I pulled it out of my ass and car rides, like, you can't rap, and I'm like, yeah, turn radio down, watch this, boom. You know what I'm saying? You out in public at a party, especially at a party, boom, pull that out. Everybody at the party's like, yo, this dude can actually rap. Then you hit them with the second one you had memorized, which they did not see that coming either. You know what I'm saying? All you need to do is write 32 bars, write them in 16-bar patterns, write them, separate them, memorize them, and be able to do them anytime. That's it, but you have to have them down. You can't be like, I wrote this, I kind of memorized it. You need to rap it, do it every fucking day, and be prepared. And then anytime you can walk up to somebody, because you're so prepared, you practice it every day, or at least 2 times a week, and you know when you come up to somebody in the street, you can go, I can rap, prove it, boom, 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 just do it. Because you've already memorized it. You can't even fuck it up. You did it so many times. You're gonna gain fans, you're gonna impress people, you're gonna build networks with it. You need to be prepared anyways. You run into somebody, you tell them you rap, and they say rap, because that's what they always do. I say I rap, they're like, oh yeah, spit something. They always say that. So if you can't spit something, if you actually literally cannot rap, or you don't have credentials to be like, Google me. You know what I'm saying?
You're up. Spit something.
See, nah, you gotta pay me for that shit. You know what I'm saying? That's what I say though, because it's like, so like when you're on the lower end of the scale, that's why I said though, unless they can Google you. Me, I'm like, Google me. I'm like, I have 8 albums. I have label deals. I've written songs for major artists. Like, I don't have to prove nothing. I'm an undefeated, you know what I'm saying? And at the same time, you also could have a verse from a song that you already did. You can have that memorized, because you probably did a bunch of songs. But if it's not hot, don't try to memorize, okay? Now, the rest of these tips are gonna be confidence-based tips. These are things that are gonna help you build your overall confidence in public or in general, so that you can be more confident as a person to be able to deliver the thing that you've already practiced. Let's go on to those. Okay, so what needs really though when it comes to having confidence, you kind of have to go outside of your boundaries, because it's the anxiety. You're like, these people aren't gonna like me, like all the shit. So you're fearful. That's why you don't want to rap in front of people, because you feel like they're gonna judge you. They're gonna make fun of you for like, oh, dude can't rap, or he says he can rap. And you're like, so really what it is, you need to be able to have that confidence and understand how to build that confidence and get over the anxiety. That's what these tips are going to be, and they're great tips. Let's get into them. So number 2, and this is something I actually learned in jail. If you want to build confidence and show dominance whenever people are around you or anything like that, is you need to, anytime you're in public purposefully, and I'm talking about I still do this to this day, at the gym or anywhere else that you're at, even wherever you're at, invade people's private space on purpose, because it makes you uncomfortable. It also shows that you're alpha and shows dominance. So if somebody's like, I go out of my way to actually get near people, and they're like, what does this dude think he's doing? You know what I'm saying? That type of shit, because you overcome this barrier of, don't get close to that person. I'll walk in front of people on purpose. I'll do like this in front of people when we're at the mall. You see me do this shit all the time. I do that shit all the time. All the time. I walk right into you, right? I don't give a fuck. That's a dominance thing, but at the same time, it helps you overcome this fear. When I started doing it, I realized it's funny, but it builds your confidence and allows you to be like, nobody's fucking with me. I walk in anybody's space. The biggest black dude I walk, I'm like a magnet towards him. I'm like, what's up? Like I go like right into his space. Cause he's like, what the fuck? And I'm like, yeah, me too. You know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't matter. It's just, that helps you overcome that fear. You're not gonna get into fights doing this. It's playful, but it also like, I did learn it in jail. Cause it's like, yeah, like walk in somebody's space. If you, like, if somebody walks into your space and you like this, that's weak. But if you purposely walk into somebody else's space with your chest puffed out, they're like, okay, I see you. You know what I'm saying? It's a confidence thing. This goes for females too. It's confidence. And it sounds stupid, but this is a big deal. Just go in, even when you're at the gym, purposely walk into people's, not in their way, but walk as close to them as you possibly can to where you're both uncomfortable and you're gonna realize there's no big deal and it's gonna help you, you're gonna overcome that anxiety of, okay, what the fuck was I worried about? That's one tip. Let's go on. Number 3, a big part of being confident, and again, these are gonna build like that subconscious like confidence level in you, okay? And these are things that I really did to build my confidence up, because I used to be very shy and timid and like, and had to like build out of it, right? But you should wear sunglasses as often as you can, and while wearing sunglasses, because it's hard for you to look somebody in the eyes, right? Like usually when somebody is in a meeting with somebody or you meet somebody, you generally don't look at their eyes unless you're confident, right? So what you can do is you can wear sunglasses, and sunglasses are this shield that allows you to feel like nobody can see where my eyes are, okay? So you won't feel like anxious when you look somebody straight in the eyes. Now this is a great tip I like to say is when you're in public, when you're driving, you wear sunglasses, and anytime you're at a light and you know the cars are coming across here because they're turning, look every person right in the fucking eyes. It sounds stupid, but you're making eye contact with every person, and do not break the eye contact. I'm talking about once you do this like 50 to 100 times, you're gonna be able to look people straight in the eyes, but remember they can't tell if you're looking at them because you're wearing sunglasses, right? Then when you take off your sunglasses, you're always gonna be able to look people straight in the eyes. This helps you overcome this. There's a barrier of anxiety that exists with just a personal interaction between two people. And when you go to rap against somebody, when you go into the situation where you're able to rap and have a conversation and be like, damn, I can do this, you can get in their space. You can look them right in the eyes. There's nothing shutting down your confidence, okay? These are these little tips. I'm telling you, these may sound stupid, but these help a lot, okay, with building confidence and overcoming anxiety. Let's go to the next one. So number 4, and you see me do this all the time, is create a conversation with every person you possibly can. Literally talk to everybody. I do this every fucking day. Yesterday I was at dinner, these people walked into the sushi place. I was like, hey man, hey, enjoy your meal, bro, it's just delicious. The people at the table next to me looked at me like I was fucking crazy. I'm like, people person, right? I don't give a fuck, right? Like let them stay in their shells. I don't give a shit. Come out of your shell. So you be confident enough to talk to anybody at any time. And this is how I do it, and you know I do this all the time. Just give somebody a compliment. Just be like, hey, nice shirt. Hey, nice shoe. Just the left one. Nice sunglasses, nice hair. Find something nice to say about people. Plus, it's good for your mindset. Plus, it's good karma, right? So if you are consistently out there striking up conversations, A, you're building your network. B, it's helping you overcome this fear of rejection from people. Because if you can walk up to anybody and be like, hey, what's up? That's massive confidence. That's the same type of confidence it takes to go, hey, what's up? I'm a rap real quick. It's the same thing. You should always be talking to people anyways. You want to be a people person. This is a people person industry because it's connection based. You want to be famous as a rapper, you need to be able to talk to fucking people, okay? They need to be able, like even my PR team, he even said today, I was on a call with him earlier, he's like, I need to be able to send you into any room and you be able to talk to anybody, okay? He's talking about getting me on the Empire TV show, getting my music on Empire, and I'm like, he's like, but I need to be able to send you into the room so these people love you when you're in there. People skills are massive. Confidence is massive. You're not just gonna need to spit 16 bars. You're gonna need it for everything, the whole way up. Okay, so take these tips very seriously. As dumb as they may sound right now, 5 years from now, when you're looking back, because you didn't apply them, you're gonna go, fuck. And lastly, the one that I start my morning with every day, that may sound and look corny as fuck, but this is very beneficial. And if you do it with me right now, this is some straight Tony Robbins type shit, right? Like you're gonna be like, oh my God, I'm not doing that. This guy's crazy, delete, unsubscribe. But I do this every day when I wake up. It's called the power pose. This right here is the pose that winners make. They put their arms up. Every time they cross the finish line, what do? Without even thinking about it, arms up. Arms up. It's the human nature, the innate, I'm a fucking winner thing. If you do this for 20 seconds, literally, scientifically proven, boost your testosterone levels.
Wow.
Proven. It instantly increases confidence. If you do this right now, do it right now. Put your arms up like this for 20 seconds. Like, do it. You're doing it right now. Hold up your arms 20 seconds and just be like, yeah. And after 20 seconds, you literally feel the endorphins rush in your body and you actually feel more confident. I do this before I go into any meeting. I do this before I go into the mall. I do this before I come out the bathroom type shit. You just start feeling it. Automatically feel more confident. Feel it? Yeah, it's interesting. It's subtle, but it's there, right? And people, I know a lot of people start their morning like this. They do like this, like make multi-millionaires. This is how they start their day. This is how I start my day. 20 seconds of this. I wake up and I stretch and I go, I'm a winner, I'm a winner. And you feel it, I'm telling you, you feel it. Don't give a fuck, I'm telling you, it works. So all of these little tips can be combined in helping you overcome anxiety and helping you stay driven and ready to deliver 16 bars. But not only that, you know this channel is about being a smart rapper. It's not just about delivering 16 bars or being able to rap in public. It's about being able to be yourself in public and network with people and show people that you are worthy of being more than just somebody who wants to be something, but you are going to be something, okay? You became a smarter rapper. Let's go ahead and kick it off. You know what time it is.
I got this right here, man. It's time for word of the day. New words you can say, new words for your rhymes and for your wordplay. By the time you leave this video, you'll be smarter than you was before. This is so stupid.
Demarcate, demarcate.
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 It's a verb.
Demarcate.
Which is an action. To fix or define the limits of. To set apart, distinguish. I'd love to see some examples of this. She was convinced that the school's administration should demarcate social studies grades from science grades, which means to separate, right? So that's great. That's a great example. The fence was put in place to demarcate one piece of property to the next. That's amazing. That is the example. That's what we needed because it lets you know exactly how to use it, right? So demarcate, pretty much to split something up. Kind of like partition. That's why I think of partition. Like you partition two computer drives, or you separate things. You could separate two things. So we could say, or did we talk about the 32 bars? Writing the 32 bars earlier in this. You could take your 32 bars and then demarcate them, separate them from one another, and now you have two 16-bar verses. It's pretty much just a great way to say separate, right? To set apart, right? Interesting. That's good. Demarcate. Okay, cool. You just became a smarter rapper. I'm Rob Level. This is smartrapper.com. Hit me with your 4 bars below hit me with your 4 bars below for the day, and try to use demarcate in a sentence below inside of your bars. Rhyme it. You know what I'm saying? Like just go ahead and start rhyming it. If you have any questions, ask those questions below. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell because it's going to notify you every time I release a new video so you can become a smarter rapper. I got the Smart Rapper community coming. Links is below. I got the music video course coming to teach you how to shoot music videos with your cell phone. If you're interested, the link's going to be below to that. Go ahead and sign up for the A&R contact list as well. Because if you sign up for that, you get all the record label A&Rs in the industry that have public information. They can send those all to you in a big list, okay? 100% free, just for signing up. Check out these videos right up here. Right here, hey! Check out these videos though, for real. Okay, and then I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow with another video. Make sure you hit that like button and comment before you click those other videos. And then of course, the links are below. And subscribe to my channel. Yes, hit those videos. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Demarcate.